Hello friends, do you know you can enjoy your fresh roasted corn in a more delicious? And now let me show you how to make spicy roasted corn. Start by grabbing some fresh corn and remove the husk from the corn. For this fresh corn that I'm using, I already removed the husk behind the camera. Next, transfer them into a pot, add some water and cook them for about 10 minutes. As we cook the corn, let's mix the following ingredients. In a bowl, add 2 spoons of soya spice. If you want to learn how to make soya spice, please check the description box for the video link. I also went in with half spoon of chili pepper, quarter tablespoon of salt, 2 spoons of soya sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, and lastly, 2 spoons of vegetable oil. And after adding up all the ingredients, mix them together for them to be well combined. And after cooking the corn, they become soft. This is how they look like. And now I'll remove them from the pot. And after removing them from the pot, we go ahead to roast them with charcoal. As you can see, I've already heated up charcoal in this mini barbecue rack. So I'll place the cooked corn on the rack and allow them to roast evenly. Make sure to turn all the sides for the corn to be well roasted. After roasting the corn, this is how they should look like. And now, gently brush all the roasted corn with the mixed ingredients. Make sure to brush each of the roasted corn with the mixed ingredients properly. And after brushing all the roasted corn with the mixed ingredients, let them rest on the rack for at least another 5 minutes on a very low heat. This helps the ingredients to penetrate into the corn. And after 5 minutes, remove the corn from the heat. Then your spicy roasted corn is ready. This looks beautiful and tastes very delicious. You can try this today and let me know in the comment if this tastes more delicious, more than the traditional way of eating roasted corn with pear, coconut, groundnut or walnut. And now you can enjoy your roasted corn, spicy and delicious. Try this today and you always want more of it. Please kindly subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.